Imagine this. You're in the bathroom, squeezing out the last bit of toothpaste from a new tube. As you turn it around, you notice small colored squares, red, green, blue, or black, printed on the bottom seal. You've seen them hundreds of times, but never really thought about them. Then someone tells you these colors tell you whether the toothpaste is natural, chemical, or medicinal. Sounds believable, right? But here's the truth, that popular explanation is completely wrong. So what are those colored squares actually for, and why do almost all toothpaste tubes have them? Today, we're uncovering the real, surprisingly practical reason behind this small but clever detail. Welcome to Story Behind the Things, the channel where we explore the hidden design and purpose behind everyday objects we use without thinking twice. Those small colored squares, or sometimes rectangles, on the bottom of toothpaste tubes are called eye marks or color codes. They are not there to tell you about the ingredients. That popular myth, green for natural, blue for medicinal, red for chemical, black for organic, is completely made up and has no basis in reality. So what are they really for? They are a manufacturing tool. Modern toothpaste tubes are made on high-speed automated production lines. After the tube is filled with toothpaste and sealed at the bottom, it moves quickly through machines that print the label, add the cap, and do final quality checks. The colored square acts as a precise marker that high-speed cameras and sensors can easily detect. This tells the machine where the tube is positioned, when to start printing the label, how to align everything perfectly, when the sealing process is complete. In simple words, it's a stop here and do the next step signal for the machines. Why different colors? Different colors help the machines distinguish between different production lines, tube sizes, or product types running on the same factory floor. A red square might mean this is a mint flavor batch, while a blue square could mean this is for the children's line. It makes the automated process faster and reduces errors. This tiny colored square is a perfect example of thoughtful industrial design. It costs almost nothing to add but makes high-volume manufacturing much more efficient and reliable. Without it, the machines would need more expensive sensors or slower processes. Interesting facts most people don't know. The colored squares are usually printed during the tube manufacturing process, long before the toothpaste is filled. Some premium or eco-friendly brands have started using fewer colors or even no squares as they adopt newer, smarter machines. The myth about the colors indicating ingredients started spreading on the internet around 2010 and became surprisingly popular despite being false. Similar color codes are used on many other packaged products, from snack bags to medicine tubes, for the same manufacturing reasons. Every day, we use products without noticing the small, smart decisions that went into making them affordable, consistent, and high quality. That little colored square on your toothpaste tube is quietly helping factories produce millions of tubes perfectly every single day. The next time you squeeze toothpaste onto your brush and see that small colored mark at the bottom, you'll now know it's not telling you about the ingredients, it's a silent helper in the complex world of modern manufacturing. Small details like this are everywhere once you start looking for them. If you enjoyed this explanation of why some toothpaste tubes have colored squares on the bottom, don't forget to subscribe to Story Behind the Things and hit the notification bell. We bring you simple, interesting stories behind everyday objects and the clever thinking behind them. Now tell us in the comments, did you believe the myth about the colors before this video, or which everyday product mystery should we explain next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next story.